In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload the Elementor Pro ZIP file into your WordPress site hosted on WP Engine in 2025. This process will allow you to harness all of Elementor Pro's significant features, enhancing your ability to design visually stunning and highly functional websites. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard on WP Engine. This is your command center, where everything about your WordPress website can be managed, including plugins. Ensure you have your login details on hand to access the dashboard successfully. Once you're in the dashboard, the next thing you'll do is navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand side of your screen. Hover over Plugins, and then click on Add New. This section is specifically designed for adding new functionalities to your WordPress site through plugins, which is crucial for extending your website's capabilities beyond basic features. After selecting Add New, you'll see an option to Upload Plugin at the top of the page. Click on that because this is where you'll be able to upload the Elementor Pro ZIP file from your computer. Now make sure you have already downloaded the Elementor Pro ZIP file onto your computer. You'll be needing this file to proceed. Click on the Choose File button, which prompts your computer's file explorer to open. Locate the Elementor Pro ZIP file on your computer. This step is critical. Ensure that the file remains zipped. Do not extract it, as WordPress prefers to handle plugin installations directly from the zip file. Once you've selected the correct file, you can proceed by pressing the Install Now button. WordPress will handle the installation process automatically, transferring all necessary files and setting them up for you. This step is relatively quick, but it's essential to wait until you see the confirmation that the installation was successful. Now that Elementor Pro is installed, the next thing is to hit Activate Plugin. Activation is crucial because without it, the plugin isn't functional on your site. Once activated, it integrates with your WordPress dashboard, ready for use when you're designing your pages. Finally, to access all of Elementor Pro's premium features, you'll need to enter your license key. The license key is usually provided when you purchase the plugin. Navigate to Elementor Settings on your dashboard, find the section for entering the license, input the key, and make sure to activate it. By doing so, you unlock all the powerful features that come with Elementor Pro, like advanced widgets, premium templates, and an array of styling options. Following these steps ensures that your Elementor Pro plugin is correctly installed and ready to enhance your WordPress site's design and functionality. Thank you for watching and enjoy creating with Elementor Pro.